Does your car have any of this symbol light flashing? It's warning from engine control unit for malfunctioning. You need to check out the problem, otherwise your car will be in danger. So you might be thinking of visiting dealership or authorized workshop, right? But do you know what? They charging like crazy, and you don't have even idea that most of problems can be solved by professional car diagnostic tool that dealers are using. So before visiting dealer or authorized service center, I highly recommended you to visit Babji Car Diagnose Center, at Tanvir Complex, Mavor Road, East Nadakavu, Calicut. Here at Babji Car Diagnose Center we provide you professional car diagnose service for engine, auto gear, ABS, airbag, immobilizer and all car electronics module. We do car diagnose for brands like Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Jaguar, Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, Maserati, Aston Martin, Land Rover, Jeep, Porsche, Volvo, Bentley, Volkswagen, Skoda, Lexus, Toyota, Fiat, Ford, Nissan, Datsun, Renault, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, MG, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra, Tata, and all. We also provide special function like service warning reset, reset immobilizer, reset brake, steering angle setting, DPF regeneration, DPMS reset, gear reset, EGR adoption, ABS bleeding and headlight adjustment. When you have any replacement of sensor or module, dealer will charge heavy for programming, and we do it at low price than dealer charges. Regular car scanning will make your car engine performs better and returns good economy too. Our service starts from just 300 rupees. Visit us today or contact us on +91 96 15 33 55 33. In description you will find our address and website link. We also have promotion going on. For details please visit our website www.babjicardiag.com.